You control the Hoover. And this is why it's important that whenever you come into this awareness, that you begin to adopt certain lifestyle changes, that you eliminate the fuel source, emotions, your meat. Deprive the narcissist of your meat. Yeah, I said it. Your money, your energy, your attention, and your time. Now, la chingada, it will starve them out. You're going to give them a kick right in the ojete. Oh yeah. Now, look, narcissists are only going to stick around so long as you're providing. You know that. Well, if you don't, you fucking